Hi friends, I am here with new topic operator overloading. This is the second part of polymorphism. So we are going to start operator overloading, that how can we work with operator overloading. If you see, there is a written some definitions about the operator overloading. If any operator performs additional action other than what it is meant for, it is called operator overloading. Second type, operator overloading is a manner in which system allows the same operator name or symbol to be used for multiple operations. So guys, try to understand this definition. After that, you can work with the operator overloading system. So let's start. Guys, now I am on the screen for writing here the code. That first of all, I'm going to tell you about this one, that I wrote a print function. Then I'm going to give value here 10 plus 20. So guys, have you ever thought that how is it happening? Just I have written the plus operator there, then the plus operator add to value, after that give us output. So if I run this code, that I will get the output 30. But do you think about that? How is it happening? Just simply I have written the plus operator there. Then the plus operator add two values. After that give us a 30. Means it is the output of these two values. So guys, for these operations, there are already built-in methods for performing these kinds of tasks. If you see here guys, I have written only plus operator. Then I got the result 30 because first value is 10. And second value is 20. For the performing these kinds of tasks, the method is called. Actually guys, I want to tell you that which are method for the performing these kinds of tasks. Now I'm going to write here a method of addition. First int dot underscore. Then these are the methods. I'm going to select addition. After that brackets. Now I have to pass here the parameter. First parameter will be cell, then any other. This is a method of addition and we can use it for the addition. With the help of this all method, we get the output just like this. But it's a long, means we cannot use them again and again. For an example, I'm using it in here, print, and passing here values. First I give 10, 20. If I print this one, you can see the output has been printed on the screen. So at the backend, all the method is working just like this. If we are going to addition of two operators, then in the backend, this method is working. So it's a very long term that we cannot write just again and again. So for that, we are provided a version like a plus operator. Just we have to use this. If we are going to addition of two operators, then just we are using plus operator. If we see in the backend that this method is working. And now if you see here that int is a class here. And there are so many other methods just like multiplication, subtraction. If I show you here int dot underscore, then you can see these are the methods you can use them. I cannot use all of them. Just I will give you here some examples. Just you can use them just like here add underscore and cell other. So I'm going to copy it, copy all the code and paste it. Just I have to change the parameters. First add, second sub, third, just you have to write their mul. Then all the methods will be called here. So guys, these were the examples of operator overriding. These are the operators which are used in the backend if we are going to perform an operation on the subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. There are so many methods which are working in the backend. I am going to give you another example of string, that how can we add the two values. So I'm going to write here code. So for that I'm going to write here print and the value will be string. That's why I am writing here str dot underscore underscore and str underscore underscore. Then I will write here the values, means hello After that, I will write the plus operator because I am going to add them, and plus then another value Ali. If I run this code, then you can see that hello Ali has been printed. Hi guys, I'm going to give you an example of operator overloading. We will see in this program that how overloading can be done with the help of plus operator. So let's start here. So first of all, I'm going to create a class. The class name is A. After that, constructor init, then brackets, and I'm going to pass here parameters, the cell and any other parameter you can give x. Now I'm going to create an instance variables cell dot x equals to x. After this, I'm going to create another class. The class name is B. Then these constructor will be there. Now I'm changing the name of this one, so y, here also y, then self dot y equals to y. So these classes have been created. Now I am going to create objects. The first object of a class that I am creating, obj a equals to a, and giving a value here, integer value 100. After that, I'm going to create object of B class, obj b equals to b, and passing here values 200. Now going to print the values. Print obj a plus obj b. So if I run it, definitely you will get the error, unsupported operands type as for plus a and b. So this is a error. Always you will get the error just like this. So I have to create here overloading. That how overloading can be done here. So for that, I have to create method for overloading. So between a and b class, I have to create here def underscore underscore add underscore cell comma other. After that, return, because we are going to return the value, return cell dot x plus other dot y. This is overloading. I am writing here. If I run, you can see the output has been printed on the screen. So just like this, you can overloading the values of plus operator. One thing I want to let you know about overloading. So if I give you here the example that first we have done 10 plus 20, we write this just like here, int underscore underscore add, then underscore, after that passing here values 10 plus 20, and second string, that how can we add the to a string. We were done with this way, a plus b. This is a string str dot underscore add underscore a plus b. Now third one, which we have done now here, if you see in the objects. So this is the way of objects that we have done already, a plus b, a dot underscore add underscore brackets. Now I am passing here the object's name, obj a plus obj b. So guys, we have done the operator overloading with the help of objects, and this is the overloading method. So you can do it with your practice. So you have to practice more and more as you can understand the well. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.